What is your purview of new age education? We are talking a lot about experiential learning these days. So what is your take on that?
First of all, I would like to congratulate Kladio regarding the launching of the master program.
Well, the education system has changed a lot.
Today, with the world changing the way it is changing, experiencing it is taking over.
People, especially students, would be able to learn at a much faster rate with the advent of AI and everything. All the resources would be gathered at one place.
For the success in today's business environment, definitely global exposure is something which will give all the students and the candidates a fair idea about how the things are running in different parts of this world.
It's a similar thing as to integrating traditional method of education with industry, and then like linking it with the global education is one aspect that is really insightful, and it would be helpful going forward.
Kladio seems to be a pretty big thing, what I have just gathered from this evening, and it seems to be a very promising thing.
Kladio for me is future. 5 years down the line, probably 10 years down the line, you will see a lot of firms adopting to this, lot of colleges, lot of educational institutions adopting to it. So it's good someone has taken the initiative now.
What we're trying to build here is a perfect blend between, like I said, traditional education and new age education. So yes, I do believe Kladio is going to be extremely successful, and of course AI driven education is the need of the hour.